My name is Rafe and I'm from Science Centre Singapore. You're watching Science What? And today we're going to talk about earthquakes. Well, if you're wondering, but I don't know how an earthquake feels like, well, you can experience one generated by our very own earthquake simulator right here in the Earth Alive exhibition. Let's go! This is Singapore's one and only earthquake simulator. This unique experience combines vibration of a metal platform with informative visuals projected on 3 big screens around you. The result? A pretty realistic and immersive earthquake experience. Try not to lose your balance as the vibrations rise from a magnitude of 2.3 to 4.5. And if you're getting cold feet from all that shaking, fret not. The earthquake simulator is also equipped with safety features like this emergency button to stop the vibrations at once. But in the real world, earthquakes are unavoidable and cannot be stopped with the push of a button. No one can prevent the tectonic plates of our Earth from moving. As they move and rub against each other, energy is released as seismic waves that rumble through the ground, causing it to shake. Earthquakes come in different sizes and magnitudes. Sometimes the ground shakes so little that you don't even realize an earthquake is happening. Other times, the tremors are so violent, it could cause massive destruction to buildings and other structures, including natural habitats and landscapes. Which is why, over time, people have learned to live with earthquakes. For example, we have been taught that if we encounter an earthquake, we should drop down and take cover under something sturdy and cover our heads to protect it from any falling items. Modern buildings are also built to be earthquake resistant. Design factors such as the building's shape, height, material, and bracing need to be taken into consideration when constructing a building that can withstand earthquakes and keep people safe. Today, I'm going to show you a simple activity that you can do to learn more about earthquakes. Let's make our very own DIY mini earthquake simulator. All you need is 2 thick books, 4 or more identical round objects, and 2 rubber bands. First, stack the 2 books on top of each other. Tie the 2 rubber bands over the stack of 2 books, 1 on each end. Gently lift the top book and place the round objects in between the 2 books. You may want to spread them out well. And there you have it, your very own DIY mini earthquake simulator. All you have to do now is to create an earthquake by shaking the top of the book. Try putting items of different shapes, sizes, and materials on top of your earthquake simulator and watch what happens to them during a gentle or violent shake. Some easy examples would be cups, balls of strings, toothpicks and plasticine, building blocks, and binder clips. With that, we've come to the end of this groundbreaking episode. If you guys enjoyed the video, do remember to like and share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to be the first to watch our new videos. I'm Rafe, and remember, keep asking Science What? Bye-bye!